Alright, I got the Gunneran stainless steel sight glass spigot with clear view water level. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Check this thing out. Comes packaged very nicely, and everything is individually wrapped in foam. This is a stainless steel unit with a hard plastic handle on here. It's nice. According to the manufacturer, this is compatible with the travel Berkey, the big Berkey systems, as well as some Alexa Pure, Authentic Pro Pure, and other brands of gravity-fed water filter systems. So the spigot comes with everything that you need to install it, other than maybe you might need a wrench here. If you want to tighten it down, we'll have to see. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble this on the unit, and then we'll test it out for water flow. We'll make sure it doesn't leak. 2 O-rings. Looks like one's for the inside and one's for the outside. We'll just put this thing on here and we'll tighten it up. All right, let's assemble this thing. So this piece right here is a nice rubber gasket on here already. Put it on now. It's going to be our sight glass monitor. Basically, we're just going to put this through here. Then we're going to put the rubber washer on, the stainless steel washer, and then we're going to cap it off. So let's do that. We've already got the rubber washer on here. Stick this through the hole. Stick this rubber washer on. Get it on there real good. I'm going to take this stainless steel washer, put it over the rubber where the rubber washer is, and then we're going to put this stainless steel nut on, and we should be good to go. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put the crescent wrench on here just a little bit. Took about a minute to install. We'll test this out for water flow and see how it works. Alright, you can see I filled this up with water. It's still working its way through the system. The sight glass bubble's working exactly like it's supposed to. Let's test it. There's the wide open throttle. Not bad. There we go. Works exactly as intended and no leaks at all. So if you're looking for a stainless steel sight glass for your gravity fed water system, check out this one by Gunneran. Check it out.